Hi, I'm Mike Steger. I'm a copyright and trademark lawyer. And for me, January 1st is not just New Year's Day, but January 1st is also Public Domain Day. And what is Public Domain Day? That is the day that certain copyrighted works have copyright protection for them has lapsed in the United States. And for January 1st, 2025, it means any works created first published in 1929 or earlier are now public domain. So anyone is free to copy, share, or build upon those works. It also means, because 1929 was the end of that decade, that all books, films, songs, and art created in the 1920s in the US are now in the public domain. So what are some examples of works that are now in the public domain as of this January? The Sound and the Fury by William Faulkner, A Farewell to Arms by Hemingway, The Maltese Falcon. Those are some of the books. There are another 12 Mickey Mouse cartoons where the cartoons and the Mickey Mouse character in those cartoons are in public domain. Check in the comments for an article for when Mickey Mouse first came into public domain. The character Popeye and Tintin, those are both in the public domain. Also, the musical compositions Singing in the Rain, Ain't No Behavin', and Bolero. So those are some things. You want to copy those and use them, you can do that without having to get a license. Also, a wide range of works from the 1920s, both films and written works by Will Rogers, those are all in the public domain as well. If you want to use some public domain works, there are some complications, especially if you're using a character that exists later on. There have been efforts to trademark these characters. Some of the rights that you may have may be limited. So you may want to consult with an attorney before you're going to try to use some of these recent public domain works. I'm Mike Steger. I'm a copyright and trademark attorney. I'd be glad to talk with you about your use of public domain works.